I have no idea what he's doing. I went to the dentist and they gave me a bag with the toothbrush and that stuff in it. And apparently he thinks it belongs to him because now he's walking around the house with it. Just have no idea what he's doing. He just keeps going everywhere with it. Back and forth, in and out of the box. And then he goes over to another box we have for him. And then into the hallway and into the kitchen. I don't know what he's doing. Apollo. Are you crazy? Huh? Is there something in that bag you think belongs to you? You know I'm gonna have to take that away from you, right? Because you could choke on that plastic. There's nothing in there for you, dude. There's nothing in there for you. Can't have it. Thank you. I know, you think it's yours. You gonna follow me for it? Huh? No. You good? Now I have to hide it, huh? Come on. What are you doing? Huh? What? That don't belong to you.